first we need to go to CreateAGraph website. Next, we are going to be selecting line graph. If you have questions, there is a help tab with a CreateAGraph tutorial and some graph examples for you to look at. Alright, I can at this point change my style if I would like to, but I'm going to keep it the same. So I'm going to select my next tab, which is data. This is where you will enter in your graph title. You might title it Earth Materials Temperature Graph. The x-axis is for the independent variable. The y-axis is for our dependent variable. The independent variable is what we changed. The dependent variable depended on what we changed, and we actually were recording the change of the dependent variable. Leave source blank. We were collecting temperature of 4 different earth materials. So in groups, we want to select 4. And then we'll be able to title these our different earth materials. We had soil, sand, water, and air. And we could change the colors right here, but I'm going to leave mine how they are for this tutorial. The next thing that we need to do is select items. So we collected the temperature every 3 minutes for 30 minutes. That means we collected data 10 times. Our item labels we want then are 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, all the way to 30 minutes. At 3 minutes, then we are going to enter in the temperature that we recorded for the soil, the sand, the water, and the air. So this is an example. Your numbers will be different. Let's just say that my soil was 23 degrees Celsius in 3 minutes, and sand was 25, water was 22, and my air was 23. This is a preview of what that would look like with just first entry. Notice I do not have any lines yet. That's because I only entered in at 3 minutes. But if I go back and I add more numbers in here, then I'll actually start to get lines. So I'm going to do that very quickly. So I've entered in more information. Your numbers will be different again. I select preview. We're actually going to see start of our lines. See, notice that I have start for my lines. Now if I were to enter information all the way to 30 minutes, then my lines would reach all the way across to 30 minutes, going up or down based on the numbers that I enter. When you are finished, you will click the bottom tab that says Print Save. Click Download. Then you are going to get a pop-up that looks like this. We can save it as different file formats, leave it as a PDF, and you're going to click Download. At this point, you will save, and then you can save as, and you will get the screen pop up. And please save it as your last name, first initial, graph. And before you click save, because that's just going to save it to the computer, you will go to computer, and I will provide you with a flash drive. You will find the flash drive here, and you'll double click it, and then you'll click save.